Hello friends, welcome to Artwith Aruna, and today we are going to learn shortcut method to add mixed fractions without converting them into improper fraction first. Let's start. Our first example is 3 2 by 7 plus 2 3 by 7. Here you can see that the denominator of both the fractions are same. So it is quite easy for us. What we need to do here to get the answer, first of all we need to add the whole part of the first fraction with the whole part of the second question. So here what we need to do, here 3 plus 2, we will do 3 plus 2 here. Then simply we need to add the numerators of both the fractions. So here 2 plus 3, here 2 plus 3. Next we will keep the denominator same as it is. So here 3 plus 2 is 5. Here 2 plus 3 is 5 and denominator as it is. So here this 5 by 7 is the answer for 3 2 by 7 plus 2 3 by 7. So answer is 5 by 7. Quite easy. So here take the another example, that is 4 2 by 5 plus 3 1 by 5. So here denominators are same. Simply we need to add the whole part with whole part and numerator with numerator. So here 4 plus 3 is 7 and 2 plus 1 is 3, and we will keep the denominator as it is. So here the solution for such type of questions where the denominators are same. Our third example is 1 3 by 5 plus 2 7 by 10. Here you can say that the denominator of these two fractions are different. So here we will take the LCM of 5 and 10, that is 10. So what we need to do, we will try to make this 5 as 10. So we need to multiply this numerator and denominator by 2. So here we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So here we will write 3 cross 2 and here 5 cross 2. Plus this plus will be as it is. Next 2 7 by 10 is as it is. So here it will be 3 cross 2, that is 6, and here 5 cross 2, that is 10. This plus is as 2, this 2 7 by 10. So here now we have the same denominator. So what we need to do, we need to add the whole part with the whole part. So here 1 plus 2 is 3. Here next we need to add the numerator with the numerator. So here 6 plus 7 is 13, and next we need to keep the denominator as it is. So we will write 10. Now here you can see that here numerator is greater than this denominator. So simply what we need to do here, we need to divide this 13 by 10. So 1 time 10 is 10. So here 13 minus 10, 3. So what we can do here, we will write this 13 by 10 as we need to add this 1 here in the whole part. So here 3 plus 1. We will write this remainder 3 here as numerator and then 10. So finally our answer is 3 plus 1, 4, 3 by 10. So answer for this question is 4, 3 by 10. Next, our next example, our fourth example is 4, 1 by 6 plus 5, 7 by 12. Here again we have two different denominators. Here when we take the LCM of 6 and 12, the LCM of 6 and 12 will be 12. So we will try to make this denominator 6 as 12. So what we need to do here, we need to multiply this numerator and denominator by 2. So here when we multiply this 1 by 2 and this 6 by 2. So here this plus as it is, this 5, this 7 by 12. So here it is 4, 2 by 12. So here 5, 7 by 12. Now add the whole part with whole part, 4 plus 5, that is 9. Here 2 plus 7, that is 9, and denominator as it is 12. Here you can see that we have 9 by 12. So we can simplify this fraction. So we can cut this 9 and 12 by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, and here 4 times 3 is 12. So our final answer will be 9, 3 by 4 for this fraction. So addition of these two fraction will be 9, 3 by 4. Our next example is 1, 5 by 12 plus 2, 4 by 9 plus 3, 1 by 6. So here you can see that denominator in all these three fractions are different. So what we need to take? We need to take the LCM of these 12, 9 and 6. So LCM of 12, 9 and 6 is 36. It means we need to make the denominator 36 in these three fractions. So here, to make the denominator 36 here, we need to multiply 3 here. So we need, at the same time, we need to multiply by 3 in numerator also. So here we will write 5 cross 3 and here 12 cross 3. Next, this plus is here. Next, this 2 is here. Now to make denominator 36 here, we need to multiply numerator and denominator by 4. So here we will write 4 cross 4 and here 9 cross 4. Next, this plus is here. Next, this 3 is here. Now, to make denominator 36 here, we need to multiply 6 by here in numerator and by 6 here in denominator. So here we will write 1 cross 6 by here 6 cross 6. Now, here 1 as it is, 3 cross 5 is 15. Here 12 cross 3 is 36. Next, 2 is here. 4 cross 4, that is 16. 9 cross 4, 36. Next, 3 is here. Here it is 6. Here it is 36. Now, simply what we need to do here, we need to add the whole part with the whole part. So, 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Next, we need to add the numerator with the numerator. So, 15 plus 16, that is 31, and then 31 plus 6, 37. And we will keep the denominator as it is. Next, here you can see that our answer is 637 by 36. But here, this numerator is greater than this denominator. So, what we need to do? Simply divide this 37 by 36. So, 1 time 36 is 36. So, here 37 minus 36 is 1. So, what we need to do? We need to add this 1 here. So, here 6 plus 1. And this remainder will be here as numerator now and the denominator as it is. So, here 6 plus 1, 7, 136. Right. So, here our answer is 7, 1 by 36. Our next example is 2, 4 by 5 plus 1, 3 by 10 plus 2, 1 by 2. Again here denominator in these three cases are different. So, here we will take the LCM of 5, 10 and 2 is 10. So, here to make the denominator 10 here we need to multiply 2 in numerator and 2 in denominator. So, when we multiply 2 here, so it will be 2 cross 4, that is 8. Here 5 cross 2, that is 10. Next, this plus as it is. Here we already have denominator 10. So, we will write 1, 3 by 10. Next, here we have 2 in denominator. To make denominator 10, we need to multiply 5 in numerator and 5 in denominator. So, here we will write this 2 as it is. When we multiply 1 by 5, so 1 cross 5 is 5 and here 2 cross 5 is 10. Now, we have the denominator same here. So, simply we will add the whole number. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Next, we need to add the numerator. So, here 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. So, here denominator 10 as it is. Here you can see that 16 and 10 can be divided by 2. So, here when we divide 16 by 2, that is 8 and 10 divided by 2, that is 5. So, here we got the fraction 5, 8 by 5. Again here you can see that this 8 is greater than this 5. So, what we need to do to simplify this? We need to divide this 8 by this 5. So, 1 times 5 is 5. So, here 8 minus 5 is 3. What we need to do here? We need to add this 1 with this whole part. So, here 5 plus 1 and we will write this remainder in numerator. So, here it will be 3 and here 5. So, our final answer is 5 plus 1, that is 6. 3 by 5. So, here we can write our final answer, that is 6, 3 by 5. Thanks for watching friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on this video. Thank you.